In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Roblox. Just watch, follow this video till the end. Open your Roblox in your browser and go open settings. So when you open your settings, you will find many information about you and about your account. So just move here to personal, go to birthday and click here on change birthday. So right now I will change it. For example, I will change it to 2003 and click on continue. And right now it will told me that I have to enter a code. Here is two-step verification. So what I have to do, I will go to my Gmail and I will hit on two-step verification and I will copy this code as you can see, and I will back to my my Roblox and I will enter it here and click on verify, and that's all. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.